I just created a new wallet for like a new provider experience. I have some balance. The process just starts as normal. You select a mainnet here, connect. Once you have connected your wallet, you will be asked about how many servers you are providing, one server or more than one server. So both processes are a little bit different. One server uses K3s, more than one server uses K8s. So, and then if you already have Kubernetes, then you can like skip this step. I have one server right now with the GPU. So we're gonna do the demo with the GPU like this. Just gonna my credential here. I'm gonna provide a GPU. So it's a type NVIDIA and it's a T4. So it's a Tesla 4 model of the GPU. Next. Oh, sorry, it's NVIDIA. That works. So we are installing all the dependencies and checking the system if it's compatible with everything that we're going to install. If any dependency is missing, we're going to install that dependencies as well. This process is going to take some time as we are installing, because if you are providing a GPU, we are also installing GPU dependencies like NVIDIA toolkit and drivers. This process will also restart your server as NVIDIA recommend that. So we are including that as well. So this process will take time. If you have any question, please feel free to ask. They will wait for this process to complete. And again, as Scott and Arthur says, we are waiting for upgrade process to be fully functional. So please do not upgrade right now through Praetor or without Praetor right now. Please do not upgrade your providers. We will post a update in Discord, in our Discord and in our Akash Network Discord provider channels. So you will be aware that we are ready to install we are ready to upgrade our providers. Yeah, just one thing. It's always like GPU build takes some time, so don't worry. It's not stuck. In the background, we are doing like a lot of process, so it just take a little bit patience. Around 5 to 10 minutes, but less than 10 minutes. Yeah, in general. Perfect. Yeah, it always depends on what kind of machines you have. Because sometimes it takes, now it goes, right? It takes sometimes to restart a machine, it takes some time because if you are a heavy server, if you have a lot of things in your server that does when you restart your server. So if that takes a long, then obviously it's going to take a little bit more time. But if you're like doing any spot install from Amazon, then yeah, it's very quick. Now we are on the next step. So I'm just gonna stop my screen for a little bit to import my wallet. I'm just importing my wallet, secret and password, and you can also use manual mode if you do not feel comfortable. Works it the same way. You just have to log into your server and put into your just follow the instruction, and you will able to provide the wallet to your server. I'm just gonna verify, and once it's verified, I will start my screen. Okay. Awesome. Now, every provider there is a domain associated. So then you can point like provider your domain.com to this IP and star.ingress your domain to this same IP. So I'm just gonna say add. Now here I can set up my pricing. Now, as you can see, like because I have provided a GPU, it's asking me for a GPU price as well. I can go in more detail on advanced setting as well. I can put the IP scale price, endpoint price. Um, Everything is by default we have provided, but if you wanted to change it, you can change it. As you can say, like GPU price, let me say 150. I can put the 150 USD per unit. So this is the main change happened in this minute. We have moved our whole price scripting from AKT to USD. So now this whole price is like 1.6 US dollar per thread per month, right? 150 US dollar per GPU per month. So that's how it's all calculated. So I'm just gonna say next. You can put provider attributes if you want. I'm not gonna do that right now. Now my becoming provider process has started. This will create on-chain provider for our own provider, and then it will also start provider service in Kubernetes. And this is we are very aligned right now with the process that Akash Network recommends us. This is like latest process that all the CLI documents follows. That we are the same thing we are following right now. So I have provided the values. I have already pointed this into my server. So click next. Again, if you want to do audit on your GPU or your provider, you can also apply for audit from here. Whatever will do the audits on you, and they will give you the result. If you wanted to apply, you can apply. I'm not going to do that. I'm going to skip it. As you can see, our provider it's ready and it started. So I'm not just going to go to CloudMost Stepper and check if our provider is good to go. So refreshing. As you can see, our provider is up and online. And as you can see here, t4praetor.com, you see one GPU is available. So our GPU, like I said, it's GPU model NVIDIA T4. Yeah, everything works. This is the whole demo, right? It's how simple it is to become a provider through Praetor app. You just like click and provide the information as you. It's very, very simple. Click, and just wait like 5 minutes, and you will be able to become a provider.